Today at Saska, we will show you how to unrestrict a Kawasaki Vulcan S from 2016.
This is my Kawasaki Vulcan 650S ABS. And today we're going to try to unrestrict it to free up all its potential. This bike comes restricted, so it has a little knob. You won't be able to accelerate all the way down. And it has a plug that tells the computer to cut the horsepower from 61 to 41 horsepower. So it's time to unrestrict it. Okay. As I said, there are two parts. First here, there's a part here, there's a circuit plug that you plug it in and tells the computer to lower the horsepower. And in the other side, okay, on the other side is a little knob that it does not allow. See, there's a knob in there, somewhere in here. I'll show you in a minute. There's inside there that when you accelerate, see, now I cannot accelerate anymore because there's a knob in there. Okay, that little knob in there is very annoying. So we're going to take it out. Okay, to do that, we're going to need a T20, a T20 Trucks. This is called the TROX tool. But be careful because that little knob has a pin inside, so you need a little hole in there. See, that's what you need. It's empty. See here. So this knob or that screw is a T25. So I bought a T20 and a T25 tool. So if you take it out here, okay, let's take it out. I'll show you. There you go. This is, let's see if you can see T25. There you go. T25. There. See? And see the hole inside? There you go. See the hole inside? So, and this is the T20. Maybe some of you guys will have a T20, and some of you will have a T25. I have a T25. And of course, I bought the knob.
Part 1. Removing the knob.
So to reach the knob in there, first we need to remove this little plug which is in the way. But it's not a plug, it's a cable guide. So anyway, just take it off first. There you go. Be careful because the engine is still hot. I just went to the store to buy the knob. Okay, see if my camera helper can actually focus on the knob. Do you see the knob over there? It's pointed there. See? See, we can see the knob in there, right? Let's see. Let me point out here. You see, guys? You see it? So we're gonna try to remove it. Let's put inside the tool. There you go. Fits properly. Now turn. Let's turn. See, it's turning. With the right tools, you can do everything. Okay. I have to be careful when you get it out. We don't want to lose the screw. So you have to be careful with the screw because it just fell off over there, so I had to pick it up. So now you take it carefully. There you go. See, guys, this is the knob or the screw that actually holds the accelerator to go all the way down, and this is the T25, and it goes, see the little pin inside, and the tool is hollow. Fantastic. Now I'm gonna save this thing just in case. Right. Okay, and that's the hole over there, and I'm gonna show you that when you press the accelerator, see, it's used to stop over there. Now it goes all the way down. Yay! So now I have more range to accelerate. All full throttle. Okay, so that's the first part of unrestricted the Vulcan. Now it's time to put this back on here. All right. This is sometimes tough to put things back where they belong. Okay, all right, so let's see. All right, okay, Okay. And we're just gonna use the tool. What is the? Oh, here it is. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now we have to unrestrict the other part of the motorcycle. All right.
So it's time to test this baby and have fun.
The difference is huge. You cannot believe how much power or how much fun by removing the screw you can get from this bike. So now I can actually move the accelerator all the way down. So right now, see, I'm 90 kilometers an hour. Let's do it. Nice acceleration. Oh! Alright. You can hear it. 140. I'm all the way down. Let's do it all the way down. 100, nearly 160. So let's go to 4th. And now in 6,000 reps. Look here. Well, not bad for this. It's very nice. I've been pushed backwards when I move the throttle all the way down. There's a lot of traffic here. I'm just gonna move. Whoa, whoa, there you go. Whoa, you can get out pretty fast of your troubles, or you can get in trouble big time fast again. So I'm in 6,000 reps, 5th gear. Look, nobody's coming. Accelerate. Look at that. You hear it? 8,000 reps. I get into 8,000 reps right away. It's fantastic. It's great. Can you see that? Can you hear that? 5th gear. Whoa, 120 kilometers an hour in a bit, in a heartbeat. I think by taking the knob, the screw out, and allow the full movement of the accelerator, that gives you a very nice range of power. Showing you that in between 4th, 5th gear, and even 6th gear, you have enough power to accelerate and to overtake the cars in front of you, or to get out of trouble if you need to.
Part 2. Let's remove the engine circuit bypass.
Okay. It's in this part here. The electrical part will be here, inside here. So you have to remove that part.
The electrical thing that we are going to remove is inside in this part over here. So the easy way is to remove this seat over here. And to do that, I have to remove this one and then this one. And I have to do that with an Allen key. Actually, if you see, you say, where is my Allen key? Well, the Allen key is inside there. It's inside this place here. So I'm just gonna open the compartment. Okay, it's open now. It's closed. I think. Sure, I think it's closed this way. So I'm gonna open it. Turn this way. Hard. Okay, so okay, let's open. I think it has some devices here, some holders. All right, so it's hard. There you go. All right, so this is the device that we're gonna take out. Okay, so this is the battery. This is the device that we're gonna take out, and then try to remove this. I don't know if I have to remove the seat. So anyway, you can see that this device is placed in here. It's being held in there, and I guess the best thing to do is to try to remove this with a screwdriver and try to remove the knob out. So we'll see. All right, let's get the screwdriver. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is to pop this out of place, right? As you can see, there's a clip inside here. So the best thing to do is take a screwdriver and take the clip backwards and move the this device up. I'm just gonna try to force it, see if I can actually do it without, you know, by moving the clip. See, there you go. Oh, look, it's kind of loose, so it's great. All right, so the first thing is to move it out. Remove that clip, the device from there. So, all right, so this is the device that is tricking the computer, the bike computer, and giving you less power. So what we're gonna do here, there's a clip here, and we're gonna try to loosen this part, the top part, out of it, right? So the best thing to do is with take a screwdriver here and do it. See, and there's a clip inside here you have to remove. We take a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver is fine. See this little clip? Just press it down, and then you can remove or go up. Oops. There you go. That's a clip in there. There you go, and then comes out. And this is everything that you need to do. So it's unrestricted now. So the best thing to do right now, this is electrical. See, as you can see, there are electrical pins in here, metal pins. So the best thing to do is get some electrical tape. Get some electrical tape here and tape it around, right? So I'm gonna take some tape. Okay. Okay, and just cover it properly. Right. Okay. Let's go around. Okay. Okay. It's a nice job. We don't want water to get in here, so there you go. And you guys to get burned. So now. Okay, so this is it. Now what I'm gonna do is to, with some tape, wrap this around here so it doesn't move. It's not floppy, it's not flopping around. We don't want loose ends anywhere, right? So we just wrap this around to see if we can actually do it and don't get electrocuted or shocked. There you go. Fantastic. There. And there. That's a nice place to put it. There you go. So it's not moving. Alright. And let's turn the motorcycle on. See if that works okay. So, alright, so this is the cap. I will keep this for later, just in case. Alright. Working great. It's power on. I'm happy. Alright, so the last thing to be done, of course, is to place everything together. The cover and the Allen key. At the end we didn't need the Allen key because we were able to take the knob without taking the seat, which is pretty nice. So I didn't have to mess around with everything. So we're just gonna leave the Allen key where. Now, I think this is hard because you have these two holders in here that goes in here and in here, and then this thing goes in here. So you won't be able to see it. So we need to place it carefully and see how everything goes. So there and there, here. Let's place it properly. Okay, so it was easier than I thought. So nice.
Let's start the final test. Complete unrestricted bike.
Remember, This is a 2016 Vulcan S and Ford. Look, and in 5,000 reps. Look, whoa, do you hear the engine? Whoa, great, so much fun. Now in 50, eh? The reaction is amazing. The engine becomes really flexible, really responsive, and really powerful. Okay, I'm in 50 here. I'm in 6,000 reps. It's gonna change to 4th. Whoa, nice. It's fantastic. What can I say? Hopefully you had as much fun as I had by showing you the great power of this bike.
A final note on the restrictions.
If you have 2017, 2018, ask the dealer if it's been restricted, because the newer ones are restricted inside the computer itself, so there is no screw, there is no electrical device you can actually remove physically. It's all into the computer, so I guess it's much more difficult to remove the restriction. So ask the dealer